we're heading out towards that island there, or that rock, and then them islands there. And there is a bunch of birds busting up. Here we go, now we're in the channel. We're reading now. We're gonna head out to them birds and get trolling. Hopefully, you guys will see us hooked on. Let's hope. Pretty nice out here. No fish yet.
Oh, I just had a huge hit.
Did ya?
Yeah.
Well, there's reef on the bottom, so.
No, that wasn't great, that was...
Yeah. Alright, let's see what happens. This is a good fish, this one. Alright, hooked on. Gonna try to drag him out a bit deeper. I don't know what it is, I think it's a reef fish. No, he's still on. What is it? Oh yeah, nice grassy. A little bit of a grassy here. Oh yeah? Look at him. Nice. Yep. There's that nice grassy. Off he goes. Okay, so what we're actually doing is looking the sounder, and I'm following this current line down the edge of the reef. So all through here is just heaps of reef. Goes to like 2 foot, 3 foot up in there. And right now I'm just following the edge, trying to stay to about 7 foot. So now it's 10, I'll turn in a bit. Got my line out with a shallow diver on, and Reef's got his line out. So I'm running further back, he's running in closer, just so when we turn the lines don't tangle. You can see big bommies here like this because the sun's shining now. So I'm just working the edge of them, trying to get some trout, spangled emperor, larger size cod, just reef fish like that. And on this gear it's quite fun. I'm running new Pen Wrath 4000 with 30-pound platypus braid with an ugly stick. What is it? 6 to 10 kilo rod. It's just a short little troll rod for me that I like to use. Here, look at this big bommy right there. See there? Went from 7 foot down to 3 foot. So I just sharp turn out, and you can see, you probably can't see Reef's line. He's going to go straight along the edge of it. So I'm going to slow down, let the lure work it, turn in a bit, and just try to get him right on the edge of that bommy. And I'm going to speed back up again. And yeah, we're just working the edge that runs all the way down to where them rocks are there. And then I'll turn around and we might go drop some plastics or flick some stick baits on the reef. Yeah, it's pretty good setup, the kayak. Might give you guys a full rundown in maybe the next video. Got a bit of gear up the front there. I like this rod holder. But yeah, bit of stuff going on. It's quite nice this morning. We're gonna head in before the wind picks up today, hopefully, so we don't get stuck out here like yesterday. We're much around that corner on the other side of these, on the headland there. Yeah, Cape Gloucester Resort to the left of that. Let's see what happens. Alright, we're hooked on. It's not too big. You're under the boat. Yeah, it's not, I don't know. There it is there. What is it? Little mackerel.
Wait.
There he is. He's not even that bad a size. Let him go. Alright. Hey, settle down. Jesus.
Jeez.
Put that in there. Oh, then you flick them.
Calm down.
Right, balance, Reef.
Yep.
Okay, I got him. Let's get these hooks out.
Oh, we'll just fill it. Yeah, go.
Alright, we're releasing him anyway. Come on. Swim, mate, swim.
Oh, God.
He's going.
Let's run into your lure.
Yeah, no, he's alright. He's just sore. He's kicking though.
Did you drop him?
Wolf herring. Yeah. Oh, yep. They're right at the boat. Go cast, Reef.
Easy.
You just wind and go like that. Reef's got a good trout here. Good trout. Yeah, on a stick bait. Bring him around to me. Oh yeah, Reef.
Fish.
That's the one. He's a keeper. That's Reef's lovely trout. He just got on pretty much top water. It was only a couple foot under. Got that on the Halco stick bait. We're gonna cut his throat now because he's a keeper. I just tied on the soft plastic. Gonna drop it down on the reef and hope for a trout. Just hooked on. Now I better get everything ready. What do we got, Reef?
No idea.
Probably a big trout again.
It is, eh?
Yeah, it's not legal, but it's a trout. I like that lure. Alright, swinging around here. We'll get a photo with it on the GoPro kind of thing. Alright, I got it. Nice little trout, Reef.
What's that one?
I'll just unhook him. There he is.
Nice one.
Yeah, he'll grow bigger, like that one. There he goes. Nice release. Here we go. This is a better one. Just on the edge of the reef. This could be a trout this one. Oh, come on. Oh, look at the big cod after him. Oh, the big cod smashed him. Reef, get your lure in there. Oh, did you guys see that? That was probably like a 60-centimeter cod.
Yeah.
That was just trying to eat this. It was trying to eat this. Oh. Yeah, Reef's hooked a nice fish here. Might be worthy of the net. I'll grab it just in case. What do you got? Oh, big trout, eh? Oh, it's heavy. Yeah. Oh, bending. Here, get him off the bottom. There he is. It's grassy. It's grassy. Yeah. Same one that I just got.
It's fighting hard.
Yeah, no, they do. They do. Oh, bugger. Just bring him in. He's alright. Look how nice it is in here. It's crystal clear. Watch this bombing. Look at that. 6 foot right here. It's just crystal clear. We're gonna go up in this bay and cast around. Reef's got the stick bait ready. I'm going with that plastic still. Bit of swell, but no wind, which is nice. It's still glass. Incoming tide, big high tide. It's a 2.7, I think. They had that lunar eclipse moon last night. So that's definitely, well, what I think has to do with the fishing. It might be good, might be bad. I don't know. Hopefully it's good. Yeah, we're gonna go up there and we're gonna cast. Alright, that's all for us on the kayak. This battery's getting dead. But yeah, it was a bit of a slow morning. The wind's starting to pick up slowly. But there was heaps of bait around and bait schools, but I guess the fish just weren't too committed. Like they weren't busting up all over the surface, and the bait was quite happy, if you know what I mean. But we tried. We had a good run yesterday in the last video, which was good fun, but thought we'd get back out today. But yeah, might go for a spear this arvo. Not too sure, we'll see what happens. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.